Hello, and thank you for taking a couple of moments to listen to this important message. My name is Catherine Berry with Acupuncture CPD Online. I have my co-host Luke Rickards with me, and we have Giovanni Mattioccia bringing you an important message about the European Directive on Traditional Herbal Medicinal Products. The future of herbal medicine is in your hands.
This is a short message on the European Directive on Traditional Herbal Medicinal Products, which is coming into force on the 1st of May. It's a directive which has been 7 years in the making, and unfortunately it is now going to be implemented. What is the consequence of this directive? It will practically make Chinese patent remedies illegal for all acupuncturists, most herbal medicine practitioners, and also all over-the-counter remedies for the public. And as you can see, 6 million people in Britain has visited a herbalist at some point in the past 2 years. So if you consider the visits to herbalists in Europe as a whole and in the world, it's a huge, huge number. And as we all know as practitioners, herbal remedies account for a very tiny, tiny proportion of adverse reactions. In theory, this directive sounds quite reasonable. It's not actually banning herbal remedies. It's merely establishing rules for licensing of herbal remedies. So it sounds quite reasonable. However, the criteria are such that no Chinese remedy with multiple ingredients, as we do, will be possible to be registered or licensed. And because the criteria for licensing are not met by remedies which have at least 10 herbs. And secondly, the cost. The cost is a minimum of 50,000 euros per remedy, so it will be impossible to bear by most herbal companies. And the results of this, as I said, that patent remedies will no longer be available to practitioners. Most of all, third-party dispensary service can no longer make up individualized raw or powder prescriptions, which I know that many practitioners use. And the public as well will not be able to buy herbal remedies over the counter. We and many organizations have lobbied for years and years and years the regulatory agencies with mixed results, and mostly it has been to no avail. And I feel strongly that we should carry the struggle to the politicians, because they are more sensitive to such things, because they are elected. And I feel strongly that we should lobby, we should continue lobbying the regulatory agencies, because that's a very important work, and many organizations are doing it. But we as practitioners, and also we should encourage our patients to do the same, I feel strongly that we should start lobbying the politicians, because they're more sensitive to their chances of being re-elected. And we should make the point that this is an issue of freedom. It's not right that some regulatory agencies can stop me from buying chamomile patent remedies. And I strongly recommend that you support these organizations, the Alliance for Natural Health, the European Herbal and Traditional Medicine Practitioners Association, and the Benefit Foundation, and in the UK, the Register of Chinese Herbal Medicine. And I repeat, this is a European problem, but I feel that it would interest practitioners in all other countries, because I suspect that regulatory agencies in other countries, maybe for example in the United States, would only be happy to do the same as what is happening in Europe. And I would also recommend that you sign the petition, which is on the Alliance for Natural Health website. Thank you very much.